You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of one of Elon Musk's daughter, Elon Musk Daughter Name, the full name, Exa. I believe it's pronounced Exa. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more of his children's as well, so stay tuned. I'll link to them at the end of the video. Exadark Sideræl, I believe it's how it's pronounced. Exadark Sideræl Musk. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.